Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Frequency distribution. Frequency distribution table is a table containing data grouped into classes and number of cases falling under each class, referred as frequencies. Discrete frequency distribution. A frequency distribution formed by distinct values of a discrete variable or a continuous variable is termed as discrete frequency distribution. Steps of developing discrete frequency distribution. Make a blank table containing the three columns with the heading variable, tally marks and frequency. Find the smallest observation and the largest observation. Write the observations in ascending order or descending order. Read up the observations one by one from the data given, and for each one record a tally mark, a slash or a bar against each observation. To help the counting of tally marks, arrange them in groups of 5 or 4 where every fifth tally is drawn in across the preceding 4. This is called 4 and crossed method. This process is continued till all the observations are considered. Count all the tally marks in a row and record their number in the frequency column. Record the total frequency in the last row at the bottom. Class limit. Class limit may be defined as the minimum value and maximum value of the class interval may contain. The minimum value is called the lower class limit and the maximum value is called the upper class limit. Cumulative frequency. The number of observation less equal or less than the less than type cumulative frequencies, or equal or more than type cumulative frequencies, or less than or more than a specific value of a variable under study in a frequency distribution is called a cumulative frequency. The sign of equality may be included with any of the above cumulative frequencies. For a grouped frequency distribution, the number of observations less than the upper class boundary of a given class, that is sum of the frequencies up to and including that class where the classes are in ascending order, is termed as cumulative frequency. If we add the frequencies from the bottom of the frequency distribution table giving the number of observations more than or equal to lower boundaries, that is class being in ascending order of magnitude of the class intervals, they are termed as more than cumulative frequencies. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.